Khuble Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi kilong. Haki arpulai ki program arpon khatlai kulur kulur ke sorkar habibanta bat kotyat. Kinrup dawai fensidail bat chini na Khubor Bangladesh. Tuat kinong khai Khuborjylla haki than Rymphang. Bat snok tilang ki pat ba ban penram ki bedon kti ban penyak dusman yo hebridge post nam ha upana. Bat mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakam penyak. Umentri rangba ke Jylla konrat ki sangma ha kesngi pelai ula pentip bala pelut hadu arpoin khatlai kelur tingka na kebenta ki arpulai tli ki program jong ke sorkar ha ki artli ki hotel bapau nam ha ke Jylla kata hata chibivanta bat ha JW kotiat na du bala peli ki. Ha bajubab alor ke jingkeli bala wanra du emily ke mau kenro ba bantai dor lingdo Umentri rangba ula pentip bagi jingelang ki bahe kum ke G20 kada shibenta jong ke jingelang bala pelong ha ki tei ki hotel.
Local produce light vegetable food from the state.
So I'm not very clear about the question, what they exactly think, but I'm presuming that you're asking whether the tourists, when they come and they stay there, are they getting connected with the farmers to buy products from them?
Yes.
Is that what you're asking?
Yes.
So that's, I mean, of course, that's not really the purpose of the hotels. The purpose of the hotels is for the tourists to come and stay. But of course, if the tourist is interested in a specific product or would like to know about certain things, then obviously the facilitation is there and they support them. But it's not really the mandate of the hotel to connect the tourists to entrepreneurs as such. There are other programs and other ways and other means. And that's why actually programs like these which we hold in conferences like these, then of course, depending on the purpose of that conference, the connections are made, but it's not the mandate of the hotel to specifically do that.
Sir, I just would like to put one more question. What is the need for hosting such event in this luxury hotels? Some event been hosted by the government, different department.
Sir, government has to host programs. It's a normal process with which government functions. And sometimes there are very, very important programs, like for example, the G20 summit. And in fact, the maximum amount was spent for the G20 summit. So it's a matter of pride that we could host it at such a place. And so therefore, these kind of programs have to be held from time to time. So it's nothing out of the ordinary. All governments have to do it, and it is meant to be done so that we can showcase and provide proper comfort and proper services to the delegates who come from outside, and they go back with good memory and good experience for the state. So it's our duty to ensure that they get the best service.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. The answer B, sir, it's a total around 2 crore 13 lakhs 96,000 rupees, which I think 22 program has been hosted. It costs around 10 lakh each program. So,
Hakajing Peit ngor jong ki pulit yada Khubor Border Security Force BSF layok ban kem bat arspa bilor ke dawai jerho fensidail ban 3,000 praspa kilo ke shini bekensai bekinong khai tu kitmu ban penrung sya Bangladesh. Ki BSF 172 Battalion ki layok jing tip na ki sentiat kumta ki lapelong ye ke jing up ketem bat penap shrip ye kini kinong khai tu ki balangat hakti jong ki haka arpoi terik Rymphang na Khubor Bangladesh Hajanta Hills District. Yakini ki mar bala kurup la IT shiki bor pulit ke Jylla bat ki Central Customs jong ke sorkar India bakin le iki katkum ki kendon an. Ki bar Jylla na Assam bat na kiwe ki Jaka na Rithor ki lasdang ban boy bat tot shiki than Rambrai ban siang dukan ha Shillong ke Suropa. Ka West Khasi Students Union kala kentui ki bor sanchar shnong bat ya ka KHADC banum ai la ya kan ye ka jingwan tur jong kinong de jing de na bar Jylla. Samla melanto palyar sketfi ke seng ki Samla pule ulat ho shaga KHADC banum I trading license pathar ha ki brio ki bapan ban khayi hakani ke than
member jonga West Khasi Student Union Rymphang circle hagani Khubor ni lalap ni lagi ba kini ki Khuborjylla nadu bagani ka surok national highway ke bala yaj menta sa chicha ni lap ba kini ki Khuborjylla tila sedang bani manele banwan tur kha sa kini ki jaka juni banwan le business banun wanti ki jingdi ba bunjai ba bunrukom te klem ki kot kisla ki ba biang te ngino mailat ekum kane e brokhoi sakawai ro ladangi ailat ikine kibru kini ki Khuborjylla ki sawan kini ya ka kamai ka ji ka khai ka pateng jong kibru jong yang ni kini uksa kum hang ni ha ka district jong ya west ka po west ka sel ku masyalang nang ta halang pi ki babon ki kam kila trai maki ti kibru jong pade kila sya khnyat ben ha ki babon kiliang te nomor kata na kaliang jong nginom ailat ya gani ni kerpat ro ya ka district council ba kam dei ben ai trading license pelumar ya kini Khuborjylla hang ni hapo ka Jylla ka jongi nangta ni kerpat ro ya usm betan buram jongi hang ni hapo ramrai ya ki sordar Shillong ya ki Shillong ba pher ba tong ni Shillong kawai ka jingmot bangi no ailat ya kini Khuborjylla ba kinwan le ya kini ki business ba pher hang ni hapo ka dong ka thang ka jongi namar ba maki kin sawan kini no ayo khuja jong ki breu jongi hang ni hoi mentar le si kiwan tang senior si banwan ban di jingdi hadin ka to kane por ki sawana saki kun ki kanta kan solong ka jing kumar ha kane ka jong ka thang ka jongi te nomor kata ni kerpat ro ya barok ki nong song shinong ba tong ni telilang halor kane ka benta bat ha ju ka por ngi maham ya no la kalong kiri pai ba kiri simet dan ya no ba ngimbit dalai ro ban ai zakari na ka benta jong kini Khuborjylla let's say kala banlong tang na ka benta ke jing mentoi simet jongno but lada don kum kita
Kejing syak penyak jong weu hebrit kit borlang mar benyang badang shi post nem kerta na kesnong tengar haki riu transnam bamla setia bantip hakamiet jong ka khat nyeu terik Rymphang arajar arpusau hakesnong tengah kelepin sengusi ketang ye kinong shong snong bat kipat pak jong kete ketang halor keni kejing ja kum kejing penrem ye kete kirunar kipat bak nong shong snong jong kesnong tengar bat lor lembat kiwe de kisnong na kitan pathar khma renggat bagi kena skul menta kesengi ka ar terik Rymphang kelaya snok tilang ban penlong ye kejing yat pat bak harengkat bagi pelakat haki keti ban perta penrem jur ye kiriu transnam halor kini kejing ja bat dawaru ya ka hok jong teu hebrit balasyak penyap kini kejing yat pat ba lesdang na kesnong lor pat penkut pat kesnong tengar ha ka bala pelong ru ye kejing yalang pat ba ha ka balawan ban ye don benta naduk kinong ilam snong beper na kete katan haba ajing kren ha kini kejing yalang na keliang kinong kren kilapen pau ye kejing sngosi ke bakraw halor kini kejing ja ke basngau shirkai bat kila penrem juru ikiriu terang senam ki balale ikani ke kambaman haduk bakim kenshu ikimin simbreu
tamde ke jingja ka banungkong kala benlong ka de ke jingja rally jongi ka de ka banungkong ha ka de ka arti di snong handra ka jingja ha ka jingyo jiktip jonga kala bende ka sen ka ba ar ne ka balai handrai wat la ka taru to yuma ki para nok song snong baye Kumala penpau dari ex Presiden Joko Western Riboy kabasniu kami hina ketelong basniu kababaha kami na itelong babaha namar kata kane ka jing sniu kabadan kane ka mensim merat kamde juga mensim breu kabadan ha kita ki badan benca ban sim ya kane ka mensim jong neu habret kila phong ya kita ka mensim merat tang umrat ubanot ban penba ban priap ya ki paramrat tang umrat ubanot ban sim ya ka jing em jong ki paramrat ubreu te ke badang dan ni ka mensim tip breu te blai ke badang dan ni ka mensim breu ke menot ban sim namar kata ban pendo ya ka mensim ran ki badan apo nyoput jong ka sinong tangar kadai yang iki nong song sinong nadu ke baret hadu ke belasan bangin ya long seteli ban yang ha ka hok bat kata ka hok kalong bangin ya rat ding khong ya ki jing sneu jong ka thain ka dong jongi paranok song sinong we
ki ar taring kade kesingi ke ba nakaliang ke naga siang tengar hadin mengi lembaga lap Khubor ba nagaliang kita ki Rymphang Selam kila sim no ya kajing im jong wei kena nagan ke song tangap nagaliang jong ka H&M si nilapoi lang hakan ke sengi mentak sengi wat langim klempoi ladong sedang nagaliang sekretari jong ka Western Ribohoi lopoi bagi dekat jong H&M beroi nagaliang ni ka Central Budi H&M niwan ban support lang ya kene kajing sya Khubor jong unek pulung mapli ni peremjo nagaliang ni kaseng jong ka H&M Central Budi harangkat kini don lang jong ka Western Ribohoi beroi kawai ngamasek ngapa sya ka polis betman Soba ban chim kia ya kane namar balai haman kapor ba ka sajja kum kini jajam nagaliang kaseng is nang penkrek dang ba da ka jingtho sya kibor bahalor ba polis betman sya SP kamtarter jong riboy ba udah ban chim kia mardor kat kum ka jinglap nagaliang dukhot jong si Central Budi ba juk por ngadai ro presiden jong ka Eastern West Coastal District ngiajan bah ngiayat man kasngi gini kalenti namar balai ngi sngujan ngawan be nang tai sene ngayok sngu kum kene ka jaj jingjia haman ke area kat kum jinglap na kaliang jongi kaseng kajing Peit perman na kaliang wei Samla na Eastern West hidon tang artili gi chunang mo sajia kumne kawei kata kalong bahap hapo Eastern West Hill district kata ka chunang la artiat haman kasnem ka sajia kine tang kentui gini gisnong ba bade ban wat ya kadaw tanrai bayol ase don na kana gisnong yol ase hakate gisnong ba nga sa yo i ba man kasnem ka sajia kum kine ki khulung ki kna ikan thei ba man kasnem ka sajia kine ba sayap man kasnem bat nga kerpat igirang ba snong ya ki Samla snong ba da tuet hi dala jongro ngai i lang ba gilap Khubor hante po West Hill ba ki Samla snong hangte ngai i ba ki da tuet dala ki jong ban yo itu buru nong uta ko trang snam ban chim jing imrel dang man kan patmen kim chim
UMLE kamaulai ba Bright Star Well Marngar ulara hing dorbar banyatai halor ka jingsha bat boarding pai pa kabelajia dang shen ya unong apahra ka NEHU ha umyam bat kawai bat ka jingja ha umran habajuba halor kani menteri katanak boarding U80 mondal ula pentip ba bayade ba ka jingklat jongurang ba ha umyam kinsa ay ka bailut ksan habaya day bat ketika long kemi ke balangat lang ha kejuk ka apot pat ha umran menteri uloong bekidang ap mentaya ka kaipot.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to call the attention of the minister concerned pertaining to the newspaper report where one Rymphang Mukti, aged 25 years, security guard of MEHU at Umyam Bridge, lost his life after a fatal electrocution in the wee hour of 28th of January 2024. And as per the newspaper reports, this unfortunate incident happened when at around 5:30 a.m. in the morning, the deceased person went out to collect firewoods near the transformer nearby. And it is learned that this particular transformer belongs to ITD Cementation India Limited, the company entrusted with the renovation work at Umyam Bridge. In fact, I call the attention of the minister in charge to seek clarification from this company which the government have entrusted to undertake the renovation work at Umyam, where I feel that there is negligence on their part, where they have not put up any safety measures or fencing, which led to this unfortunate incident. And I will stress upon the Minister to question the company concerned and to pay due compensation to the family of the deceased person. And at the same time, though this incident happened because of negligence of this ITD Cementation India Limited company, but then when you look at this incident, it happens every now and then. As many of us, if we happen to visit, especially in the far-flung areas and especially in the remote rural areas, we often find that these transformers that is located in different nooks and corners of the state, I find that many, they are there with no safety measures or no proper fencing, which many a times lead to many unfortunate incidents and loss of precious lives. So I will urge upon the Minister to kindly look into this matter. And at the same time, I would also like to draw the attention of the Minister concerned, where even in my constituency, I've received complaint and I've witnessed with my own eyes that there are many electric poles who are corroded, rusted, and on the verge of collapse. And many a times, through the Rangbakshnong and the citizen, they have apprised this problem to MECL, but it seems that they are not paying any attention to do the corrective measures so as to prevent any unfortunate.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Samla ni kesengi ke arpa arter ke Rymphang. Uloong bo ulakren bat Menteri Rangba ke Assam hadin bekilayok pediang ya ke Khubor bakawai ke reuniam ke lesyak penhiar jubor na bos ha Assam. Ya ke new Menteri Rangba ulapen pau ha bejubau alor ke 0R notice balawan ra do MLA ke TMC na nong tmai uba Charles Pingro.
I'll not make a statement, but as an LO, sir, I'll just submit a petition to the Honourable Chief Minister through you, sir, regarding the same incident, sir, to show that we are not concerned about what has happened in Assam and it is not repeated in future, sir. So through you, sir, I would like to submit this to the Honourable Chief Minister, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, though the 0 hour was brought just this morning, and as rightly mentioned, sir, the written statement will be placed and given to the honourable members. But sir, with your permission, I'll just make a very, very brief statement on this particular incident.
Right.
And so, sir, basically, this incident, of course, was informed to me on the day this happened by one of the bishops. And immediately after that, I have taken up the matter with the Assam Chief Minister. So this matter has been brought to his notice. And he has officially informed me that he will take necessary action. We are awaiting for more details because the information that we received was not sufficient to be able to pursue the matter in any official capacity. And the concerned person was in a state of shock. So therefore we did not get the details from her at any point, and she's also obviously not comfortable to give all the details immediately. So we are waiting for that particular information because as of now the only information we have.
Uba Peter Shalam ubade uway niki kertong shimet uban aireng ya ke election MP Shalok Sabha ke arpa arterik Rymphang arajar arpusau ulo khot laweri kinong rep ki badang don lun ha ki bang ban wan ni of history kam jong u ka badan halat kor. Habai kren shkila pathai Khubor uba Peter ulo khot ikinong rep badon lun ban wan of his jong u knang ban yo le ya ke assessment habai day be ki lun jong ki knang ba unyo ban penkret da ka dorkas ban pha sho Menteri Rangba ke Jylla bat cha ke finance ministry ke sorkar pedeng knang ban ye kren habai day be ki lun jong kinong rep.
Apidos but ini ki local taxis, but ki balik ki fast food, ki kam ki berit kini ki pekerjaan ya ka kam jong dakaluan. Kalau kata ka pandemik adu kata-kata, but adu banyak kadam juga amna syu ban siu. La kini kun nam ta kadam ban siu. Le kini kun nam ta pekerjaan ka jingem ka yeng asan. Man ngada kerpat. Lemah kan ni kepo. Khamtam ni kinong rap ki badan ha ka bri nyong trap. Bakin wan banyak kenduk yang hapo ka office pangalapli halat kor nong denen hadien produpang lagi don sya ki basakta bakin loan jongki kita ki loan rap kin wan banyak kenduk kena bangan lek ka assessment baro banyak ni ka loan rap jongki on ya lek ban persyang ban rak sya ka sarkar banyak ren bat ka finance ministry bat in consultation bat ka finance commission yang India bat yo governor jo reserve bank India bagladai no ban map no ya ki ram jong ki nong rap shwa la da don kum kita ngada kerpa baro ki badan khamtam ngabasta apolat ko ki la ban wan chik ban nong kram konsumsi na sorang kham konsumsi komta na soyom konsumsi na mau plang konsumsi ki bala ban wan kini ki bio ki barap so sa rap sensa rap kajar bat kiwi ki marap jengki pula sakta da karam ada kadon kum kita ngap yang supha bikin wan ngamla penyelam ni ki ban agitate as andre wanra le ka assessment berki kot kisla ke bebiang ngan ada ke memorandum of shooting star bat ngin ya keren bat ka finance ministry hadali bat kadon ru ka schemes ki bala ban mak no yiram hakum kini ki por jang jinge naman kan lamda kam ta ngimna ban sedang syu daki kam ki batmai pi ka state jungi ka akhir ro kata-kata mane kadai kan ni garam ka ba kedon ni ka sate ha garam ti kedon ru ki mi ki pa ki pekerjaan sekolah ki khon ki dong ke educational through educational loans lagi bu sekolah ki khon kum dam kum ki line ki per kum ki BSc nursing ki MSc nursing ki batrai ha ki ba puli le se kum ta ko ni ki ai ki ta ki hospitality ki lab assistant ki sim da karam hendai na wan man the kam dan kam loan ki dak siu ki pa ka service jo ki ka dalam nut ka ba ki kam ki ju ya kum ki ni ru ngala khot ya ki bakin one office one ra ki kot ki sla ju ki bangin submit da memorandum of ship star na pan appointment andal adap ya kane ka dorba mang tengah bangin ya kan chu namba ship star rengkat fi ki media bang peni jaga persai ba ngila le ai ba ka sarkar India kan tuklar ya kane
Hadin balayok pediang ya kejing ut jing nam ni kipat ba ahlor kejing yok pli account tang laingut ha ke shisngi hapok ke State Bank of India SBI riang do nakaliang jong keseng New Trap National Youth Movement HNYM Mountain Road Circle kilalit banyak kendo yo branch manager ketika bank banyak kren halor ketika mat nakaliang jong ba Roshan Singh Nong Thong Bam branch manager jong ketika bank habe kren bikin nong elam jong keseng Uloong bakamday ke bakabang ke bu kendon ban berking tek ban syapli account tang laingut. Henry lale kat kum ke Jylla nomor ke bank ke don tang we unong tre ubale ye ki kam syapang ki account ban ai pisa, shim pisa, passbook bat ki we ki kam. Ula pentip ru badon kisngi bala ban penpli account hadu shipau bat arpong ngut ru Henry haba bun kam bun sin la ai la tang kumbalai ne sawngut namar la ban pendep ye ki kam baro tang do we unong tre rengkat mau kum manager Henry ula kular bu unchim kia ye ketika pang bat ban ye kren sheki bor ki bahalor
ngi lawan hakane ka State Bank jong karendu branch nomor don kijing ujor na ki pajba jong nok sung jong ke area Mosunrut ba pada wan pli account hang ni habang teng kiyok tang laingut ha ka sisngi banang ta teng sangut ni arngut ha ka sisngi te nakalyang ka jongi ngelai laj kundu bat UBM brand manager jong ka ni ka branch bat lakular ru ban le sangut ha ka sisngi bat kidong tre ru kilong ki baduna ba ka ni bat ngalakali ya brand manager ba idon tang iwe staff bat ngilakar parlo ya ubran jar ba adalong kabala wan ra sa kumbakat tu kan ningut banyo bantre hakan nika bang nang ba kipaj ba kensuk lada kidwan na sajan na sajengai kasuk ya ke ban yo ban pli ya ka akon lada wan tang
uwe nak kasih senang ruk ladawan sipo senang kamu lawan sipo ngut kemut bakal don jinge ya ki bak ban pli ya ka akon lada ki kuat ban pli ya ni ka bang te ngila kerpat ya bat iru ila kular ban simkha ban dek san ngut ak kasih sengi bat nang tai ila kular ruk ban ya rak Khubor bahalor ba wan rak ya ki staff ban tre ha kani bang
kaliang jongi kum kaseng at NYM mo circle kajingwan jongi hang ne jong na state bank ring do nomor ni chajo sngo nakipaj ba baki ut kinam nomor hapor ha man la kapor baki wan hang ne baki wan pli ki akaw joki hang ne te na kaliang joki kisim tang laingut teng arngut te habang iperkat kum kaseng nis sngo ba kadon ka jing ka bakraw ba ya ki paj ba lem ya kan ka dong kathan te nakaling jungi ngimbat se nyabuan ban kren menta ba lakum no lahi udehi ban sim ka jing terwa jungi terwa sipo tang ba nakaling jung u wakarpat ba uong ba ya katangi mla te uang bangan manis we haduk sangut man kasing persyang nomor bang yui ba kum kaseng ba katno ka jingta ya ki kinong song ya kamu sundro da pakiwan la ki sino ki bajengai da ki chipo arpo kilometer ki wan ban li akaw hang ne te henrei haba kilawan hang ne ru na pedang joki kimla ban sim kita ki kimla ban pli te karno haba kiwan Peit li kajing dunong yaki la dunong la dukasni la duk ikam kijam kilab ino te nakaling jungi kum kaseng ngida sukhe sha bat ngidala ketujur ya beran manajar bo unle
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngila poi syaka bekut tak haduk pengidesyam biang kublai shibon